Hi guys and welcome back. For today's video, it's gonna be colorful. We know that. You guys know I'm obsessed with color and I will do color in every look if I can because that is how I roll. So it's gonna be a colorful look today. I want to do something a little different than basically anything that I've done on my channel. It's a different kind of cut crease that I've kind of seen going around Instagram that I want to try. So this could go very well, or it could be a total disaster. So if you would like to see which way it goes, then keep on watching. My friends are still around. This is a new friend, and then this guy is here and has been here and is probably here to stay. And this guy is just hanging out, not wanting to leave the party. He's just here to stay. Not really too big bad or anything. He's just here to stay. They are not kidding when they talk about that retinol uglies, because I looked up skin purging and I did a lot of research on skin purging. That's the conclusion 100% at this point. I know I've talked about it in other videos. I am 100% convinced at this point, and it can last as long as 3 months. That sucks. All right, let's get on to the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime just with some concealer. I don't have any eyeshadow primer, but this works good enough for me. I'm so mad I could not find my tweezers and my eyebrows are out of control and I cannot find them. I checked my camping bag because I thought I might have taken them with me this past weekend. No, can't find them anywhere. They are just completely gone. They grew legs and left the building. All right, now that I got you guys all up in my business, I actually want to go in with a darker shade. I got the Juvia's palette. This is a Zulu palette from Juvia's, and this palette is awesome, but I just need I want a darker shade. Hold please. Okay, so I grabbed the Masquerade palette from Juvia's, and I'm actually gonna go in with the shade. This is called Zobo. So I'm gonna take some of that shade on a pencil brush and start to pat it right above my crease. Not blending out or anything, I'm just trying to get my shape and get the most pigment toward the bottom. I know it looks like it's a little blended out there, but this is a rough draft of where I'm going. Now I'm going to take a fluffier brush, just with a little bit of that shade on there, and just start to blend this out, just the edges. I'm probably gonna go in and blend that even more, but I do want to cut my crease. Now the type of cut crease that I saw, let me show you here, is like this. See how it doesn't go all the way over? It's more of like a circle type. And I believe this was on Latina's Glam. So anyway, this is kind of the shape I'm going for. It might not be exact, but that's kind of what I'm going for here. All right, now I'm gonna go back into the Zulu palette and take the yellow shade and start patting that on my inner corner. Then I'm gonna go in with this beautiful, beautiful shimmery green right in the middle. And then I want to go in with Dahlia from the Masquerade palette, this beautiful blue. It is such a pretty blue. And try to attempt to do the little swoop-de-doo cut that is in this picture. And if it isn't exact, that is just fine. I'm okay with that. Because from the picture, it's not all the way in the corner. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is going back in with Zobo and rounding that off. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of yellow and blend this a little bit more. I'm not gonna finish my lower lash line yet, but I do wanna go in with some other color above the purple, or maybe a little orange. Yeah, a little bit of orange here. Then I actually want to go in with some yellow just right above that, just because I love using yellow, but I just want it to be slightly up there, nothing crazy. And I love using all my real estate from my eyebrow to my eyelid. That is me. Okay, so I think what I want to do now is go ahead and let's start on the face. So let me back you up. All right, so I wanted to take a break from the eyes because I don't want to screw it up, and I just need a minute to, I don't know, sometimes you just need to take a break, which is what I want to do. I just need the break. So I'm taking the Milk Hydra Grip Primer. Man, I forget how sticky and tacky this stuff becomes. I have a little bit of self-tan going on my neck. So I have a couple different foundations here to match, but I think I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Tint Idol Foundation. This is the shade 260 Bisque. Let's just see what happens. This past weekend we went camping. It was my birthday on Saturday, August 8th, which you guys are probably seeing this video way after my birthday. We had so much fun, and my mom and stepdad came out, and we didn't actually have to social distance or worry about corona or anything because they actually had not been around anybody for 2 weeks, and we hadn't either. So it was actually nice to not have to worry about anything. They're like the only two people that we trust because they literally go to work and they own their own business. They have a mandatory mask, like no mask, no service in their office. And they go to the store and buy groceries for 2 weeks at a time. So they only have to go to the grocery store once every 2 weeks. And actually the grocery stores are in the counties where we live. Our governor placed a mandatory mask inside. Like if you're inside, you have to wear a mask anyway. So all is good. The numbers are going down where I live. So anyway, we actually, for once, since this all has started, did not have to worry about anything this past weekend, and it was awesome. Not saying it's 100%, but the risk would be extremely low. So we took the risk. But with both of us basically quarantining for 2 weeks, I think we shall be good. All right, gosh, I love this foundation. I actually think I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. I want full glam, like full glam today. I can't believe I'm 35 years old, guys. 35. Oh, it's crazy. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This might be a little light, but with my Laura Mercier, I think the powder will darken it up a little bit. I can't believe summer is almost over. Where we got, I think technically like a month left of summer. But it's just flying by. Although I do love fall and winter, more fall. Fall is my favorite time of the year. And I'll probably bust all my decorations out like September 1st, because that's what I do. And I love fall camping. That is my favorite time to camp. I'm actually going to take a little bit of the Benefit Boeing concealer. This is in the shade 2. But I want a little more coverage, and I love the coverage that this gives me. So I'm going to put some right here. And then when I blend this out, I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix powder by MAC and just put that everywhere that I did not set with my Laura Mercier. I always take a little bit up on my cheeks, about right here. All right, now I'm thinking I might go back to the eyes. You know what? Let's just finish the face so that I don't have in and out, in and out, in and out. Let's go ahead and bronze. I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola. I should say contour. I said bronze, but we're kind of contouring. My little baby hairs are out of control. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar blush. This is in Hush Blush, number 18. Very, very pretty. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the Beverly Hills highlighter from Ofra. And I just kind of mix in there. I just kind of go whoop. No rhyme or reason. Okay, so I haven't sprayed my face yet, so we're looking a little powdery, but I want to do that last. I want to go ahead and finish these eyeballs. So I'm going to go ahead and take the first shade Zobo from the Masquerade palette and start placing that right here. Kind of manipulating that outer corner. But I'm also going to take it on the outside here of my outer corner. Then I'm just going to go back in. There's no additional product on this brush. And just blend that right there. It got a little harsh. So we want to blend that out there. Then I'm going to bring some of that yellow right down here. Then I'm going to take that green, that really pretty green, and place that right in the middle. Then of course go back in and take some more Zobo and just blend these two. And do the same with the yellow. Alright guys, so I went off camera, did my brows. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, which is what I use all the time for my brows, and set it with the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Clear Brow Gel. I did also put the NYX retractable eyeliner in aqua green right there in my waterline, And then the lashes that I'm using are the House of Lashes Iconic Light Lashes. Did I say lashes like 3 times? Iconic Light Lashes. What? Iconic Light Lashes. Now I also put mascara on. So now for lips, I didn't know what to do. I'm going to start off with the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Funnel Delight. Actually, that might be all I use because I am loving the way that this looks. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I know that the cut crease, like rounded cut crease that I was trying to achieve definitely is not perfect. However, the inspo with the colors, I love the way that this turned out. It is definitely a different color combo than I'm used to, and I actually really like it. Sorry, I keep looking at myself in the mirror. I feel like a narcissist right now, but I really like the way that this makeup turned out. Oh, I wanted to show you. Found them. Found my tweezers. Was able to pluck a lot of those crazy eyebrows that, you know, grow down here and all around here. It was getting bad, guys, and it was in my damn camper bag. I swear I checked that camper bag 2 or 3 times. I finally got to the point I dumped the whole thing on the floor, and then boom, there they were. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.